What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video on a 2023 Hot Wheels unboxing. Today we're going to be opening up some of the newest Hot Wheels from 2023 C-Case. Our first model is the Dodge Charger Drift in green from Hot Wheels Metro. This is a new color for the 2023 C-Case. Let's get this open and check it out. So it looks like we have new green color on this Dodge Charger. A little bit of a messy open there, that's alright. Look at this. This actually has some nice weight to it. Pretty heavy. It's got all metal on the top, a black plastic base. Looks like they retooled the base on it. Has a 2022 copyright. We have gray deep dish 8-spoke wheels, and that is nice green color. I actually really like this green color. And here we go. Number 55 on the top. I think that might mean the 55th anniversary of Hot Wheels, or it could just be completely irrelevant. And then this is a pursuit car. So it's a drift car. It's also pursuit. You can see it has that spoiler there and those lights on the top. Pretty cool. Hot Wheels Track Pursuit with those different decals on it. Very cool grille with the push bar and then Pursuit on the hood. We have a black interior, looking like a black interior on this, and loving this color. Very nice Dodge Charger. Next up, we have Barbie Extra in a new white color for 2023 from Hot Wheels Screen Time. And this is a casting that actually came out last year. This is a pretty heavy casting, actually. It's got thick metal on the top, and came out in gray and then pink, and now we see it in white. So not too big on the Barbie cars, but they are really desirable. And so I grabbed one for myself. We have a purple plastic base on this one with pink wheels and chrome rims on that. Gotta love the pink tires. Pink is for real men. Anyways, there's the back. We got stars for headlights and taillights. Interesting. And then we have, I guess this is kind of an attempt for girls to collect Hot Wheels. I mean, guys can collect these too, but girls are more, tend to buy these more. But it's got wings for doors. We have orange tinted windows, a purple interior, probably connects to the base. Kind of looking like that. This is a pearlescent white color. Nice convertible here. And interesting model. This will go with my Screen Time collection. This is one I was really excited for. 1988 Jeep Wagoneer from Hot Wheels the 80s series. This is becoming one of my new favorite series. The 80s cars are coming out. One of my favorite decades, even though I'm not that old. All the nostalgia from that decade. And most of the songs that bring back memories from when I was a kid were released in the 80s. So this is actually a new car for the main line. These were usually released as premiums and mail-ins, but this is the first one in the main line. First release of this 88 Jeep Wagoneer. Such a nice looking model. There's a black plastic base. And here you go. Look at this gray color. Nice gray on this. And then big off-road tires. Those are beadlock off-road tires in chrome. There's a nice front end there with the winch. Black grille. Nice 80s striping with Jeep on the side, and then red and black striping on this nice big SUV. Such a nice model. Black interior on this one. And there's a roof rack there. This is such a nice model. Very cool. Great shape, great proportion on this casting. I mean, I wouldn't say about the wheels, but it looks great. Here's another model new for the main line. Only released in premiums prior, but now they're releasing this in the main line, the Mazda 787B. This is a track car from Retro Racers series, and it's only number 28 of 250, and it's in C-Case, so a little bit of a late release. As you remember last year, the Lamborghini Cyan, I forgot how to pronounce that. That was number 85 of 250. It wasn't a recolor and released in K-Case. Anyways, we're not talking about Lamborghinis. We have this Mazda here. Look at that Goodyear. I love the Goodyear decal right on the spoiler. Kind of interesting, different wheels on this one. Interesting wheel choice. It's not an error. This is how they intended it to be. As you can see, it's on the packaging. But this has white Aerodisc wheels in the front, chrome gold 5 spokes in the back with Goodyear, the yellow striping. Love the metallic blue on this as well. Here we go. Check this out. Look at the decals on the front. I'll let you look at that. We got painted headlights. That's pretty nice. Here's a nice shot of it right here. Nice model, black plastic base, And first time in the main line, so this is the first time it's had a black plastic or plastic base in general, I believe. But yeah, I like the colors on this. I love the decals on this Mazda 787B. Probably not one of my favorite castings, but it looks great in this livery and color. I didn't look up the pronunciation of this car, Rimac Nevera or something. So this is like... So this is an electric car in the same line as the Automobili Pininfarina Battista. This is from the Hot Wheels Greenspeed, a new 2023 model, brand new model for 2023. As you can see, it doesn't say new for 2023 because this is on an international card, like something you get at a grocery store. Let's get this open. Nice blue color on this electric. It's a electric supercar, I believe. That's what it is. And this has chrome Y5 spoke wheels. I actually really like the Y5 spoke wheels. They've been using that a lot recently, and I like it a lot. Then we have blue plastic base. Interesting new base design for 2023. Metallic blue with a black interior. Nice spoiler in the back. This is a nice supercar. And here's the front end. Never had one of these Rimacs before. Different model. Kind of like a Honda front end, looks like that. Honda / Lamborghini mixed, I guess. I don't know. And there's the side there. Cool aerodynamics on this. This actually looks pretty good. There you go. And there's decals in the back, so this is detailed. And interesting little piece there. Kind of goes around. That's pretty cool. Not bad, actually, not bad looking of a model. Here's a new model for 2022, then re-released in 2023, the Pagani Zonda R. And I've heard of this casting multiple times. They finally released it in Hot Wheels format. From Hot Wheels Turbo, this is such a good model. A legendary sports car in real life, or hypercar, I guess. And having a little trouble opening these today. And new white color on this one. Check that out. Nice white color with the yellow 10-spoke wheels. Spinning pretty well. This just looks amazing. Look at that spoiler in the back. Really puts the icing on the cake. This is a really nice supercar by Pagani. And not too big of a fan of those decals on the side. I think they would be looking cooler if we took those off, but I leave all my cars stock. I don't really collect customs. And here you go. There's a nice black roof with the black striping. And then the decals on the side, number 1. And then Zonda R on the side. Really nice looking sports car. Very cool. Nice aerodynamics. I think this is a 90s sports car. And nice older base design, like a 2016-ish base design. Liking that. And there you go. There was a gray one last year. I'll have to open that one up on the channel as well. I got 2 of those. But yeah, really cool. Here's a nice piece of American muscle, the 68 COPO Camaro. This is the mainline version. Didn't find the Super, but from Hot Wheels Art Cars, and Super's going for like $60, I think. So pretty nice. And I have another color of this casting in white from like 2019, I think. Let's get this open and see what we're dealing with. Looks like a really cool art car. And usually the art cars have colored tires. This one doesn't have colored tires. It has black tires with chrome red in the front and chrome blue in the back, 5-spoke rims. But usually the tires themselves are colored, but I think they didn't color it just to have the Super. Although a Super with colored tires would be pretty cool. Anyways, we have Camaro in bright colors on the side. This has a red, white, blue, and black tempo design with an R on the top. Hot Wheels logo. And the art car is actually looking pretty good this year. Here's a nice look at this 1969 COPO Camaro. Kind of like, I think COPO is like a special line of Camaros. I'm not too informed on that. This has a nice bright chrome plastic base. This casting's been out since 2011. It says 2010 on the base right there. And here's a nice spin around of the COPO Camaro. Look at that front end. Beautiful American muscle car in some pretty interesting tampos, but this looks great. And our final car for today is the 89 Mazda Savanna RX-7 FC3S in a new metallic green color from Hot Wheels the 80s. So this casting was released in 2020. I have the first version of that in red. And kind of messy opens today, that's alright. Metallic green with the gold lace wheels, black plastic base. I have the red one, then there's a white one, then a blue one, and then this one. I think there's a yellow one as well from 5-pack. There's a black interior on this, metallic green, very clean casting, almost a lime green or antifreeze green off camera. This is a nice Japanese import with the lace wheels. Check out the details in the back there, very cool. RX-7, Mazda RX-7 FC3S. Savanna, I think, yeah, Mazda Savanna. And hood scoop there, flip up headlights. And barely qualifies to be in the 80s, Hot Wheels the 80s series, because it's an 89. Here we got mirrors, clear windows, and that's all I have to say about that one. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. And which one is your favorite out of all of these? I don't know, probably Jeep Wagoneer would be my pick. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.